Hi guys, this is Liz. My topic today is growing asparagus, and I have some tips. My number one tip is plant the 2 to 3 year old asparagus crowns, as it would take about 3 years if you sow the asparagus seeds to establish enough for a partial or full harvest. Plant the crowns in a fertile and well drained soil with a pH between 6.5 to 7. The area should get full sun about 6 to 8 hours. Plant the crowns in 6 to 8 inches deep trenches with space of 12 to 8 inches apart. First, cover the crowns or roots with only 2 inches of soil, filling the hole gradually as the spheres grow. Fertilize them 3 times during the growing season. Give them plenty of water. Make the area weed-free. Apply about 3 inches of mulch in late fall. I remove the mulch in the start of the growing season. Don't harvest in the first year of planting to allow the plants to establish. A light harvest for 4 weeks in the second year, 6 weeks in the next year. Do not harvest if the spheres are less than the size of a pencil. Look at this, quite thin. This one is good size. So I'm going to harvest these spheres later. It's the start of the growing season, so I'm going to fertilize my asparagus. I'm tilling the soil lightly only before applying the fertilizer. I use triple 13 fertilizer. My asparagus bed is 6 years old, so I can harvest for about 3 months. I do not harvest all the spheres during the harvest period. I have to let 1 sphere per crown or root to continue growing like this, so that the plant is healthy. I harvest the spheres at ground level when the sphere is about 6 to 10 inches.